Yes, that is a giant Sheriff Joe Arpaio balloon wearing prison stripes and handcuffs, manned by demonstrators calling for the sheriff's arrest. All of this stemming from Arpaio's civil contempt case. Today, Sheriff Arpaio back in court for that very issue. And while a federal judge didn't officially seek criminal charges, the judge did signal some big changes are ahead. ABC 15's Dave Biskobing was in court all day. And Dave, is it any clearer about what could happen to the sheriff and MCSO here?
Well, Steve, the judge decided to hold off from referring Arpaio for any criminal charges, but he did mention several times that civil penalties just wouldn't be enough for the sheriff after he was found in contempt. Now, today, after 5 hours of arguments, one thing was very clear. This judge does not trust Arpaio or MCSO in any way, shape, or form, and it looks like he will order the sheriff to give up a lot of power. Specifically, the judge signaled that he will not allow Arpaio or top staff to conduct internal investigations, likely giving that job to a monitor. Now, also discussed what to do about compensating victims and how much Arpaio should personally have to pay. As for the sheriff, plaintiffs want him to cough up $300,000 personally, while the sheriff only proposing $100,000. So what's next? Well, the judge hinted that Arpaio and several of his top staff should be ready for possible charges, but that likely won't come for at least several weeks. And after he figures out how to make things right for the victims, we'll have a lot more on that, plus reaction coming up at 5 and 6. For now, downtown, Dave Biskobing, ABC 15 News.
Yeah, we know criminal charges are still on the table, and we're going to have a lot more reaction coming up again at 5 and 6. Thanks, Dave.